Hello, welcome back to another video on this channel regarding reading. For today, we will going to have a listening text. Are you ready? This listening text is a short story about baby chickens. The story goes like this. A mother chicken sat on her nest. She was a big chicken with brown wings feathers. She was sitting on some eggs. One day, the eggs cracked open. Then, some little chicks popped out of the eggs. Now, the chicken has 6 cheeks. Now, let's answer the following questions. Are you ready? I hope you still remember the details of the short story. First question is, where did the mother chicken sit? On the chair? On her nest? On the tree? The correct answer is the mother chicken sat on. Okay, very good. On her nest. Next question is, what color were her wings feathers? Is it brown, yellow, or red? Let's find out the answer. The correct answer is brown. For the next question, what was the mother chicken sitting on? A pile of papers, her precious shoes, or her nest with eggs? What do you think is the answer? Very good. The correct answer is her nest with eggs. Next question. What came out of the eggs? Some little dogs? Some little chicks? Some little cats? The correct answer is What came out of the eggs? Or some little chicks? Very good. And for the last question, how many chicks were there? Are they 7, 5, or 6? The correct answer is there were 6 eggs. That was the end of our listening text for today, and I hope you still remember some details and some vocabulary words with regarding to the text that we have read. Thank you for watching this video and happy learning!